Be fine. So class 4, today we will do the written work in the notebook. So kindly take out your English literature notebook. On Saturday I think we have done the lesson summary. So today we will do the written work in the notebook. So kindly take out your English literature copies. Alright, now write down the date and day with me. Today is, what is the day today? Today is Monday. So write down with me, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. And what is the date today? So today is 13th of July, 7/20. Write down with me like this. अगर आप लोग का पेज चेंज है तो आप लोग उसी सीक्वेंस से राइट करोगे, ओके? सो write down the date and the day and on the top of the page. Okay, now take the scale and a pencil. I'm going to use the marker, but you have to use pencil, okay? And draw a line in mid of the page like this, mid. Okay, today we will do words meaning, okay? We have 5 words meaning. So draw a line like this. All of you have done class 4? Okay, and now write words, W-O-R-D-S. Words W should be small, okay? Done. Words, meanings. M-E-A-N-I-N-G-S. Write like this. Words meaning. Today we will do the words meaning of unit number 1. Word spelling is W-O-R-D-S and meanings M-E-A-N-I-N-G-S. All of you have done? Alright, now in the margin line, write 1. Write 1 in the margin line. And the first word, yes, Razia Fahim, do you want to ask question? Kindly unmute yourself, please. Sorry. Raise your hands again. Razia Fahim, if you want to ask something, raise your hand. All right, unmute yourself, please, and ask. Yes. Picture blur aa rahi hai? All right. Let me focus, okay? Thank you. Now it's fine? Okay. So, first capital should be small, okay? First word is pity. P-I-T-Y. You have to follow the formation, okay? P-I-T-Y, pity. I think my picture is clear now? Okay. P-I-T-Y, pity. The meaning of pity is mercy. M-E-R-C-Y. Write like this, M-E-R-C-Y. अच्छा, यहाँ पर मैं आप लोग को उर्दू मीनिंग भी लिखवा देती हूँ. द उर्दू मीनिंग ऑफ पिटी इज़ रहम. सो आप पेपर में तो मतलब उर्दू मीनिंग आप लोग नहीं लिखोगे, लेकिन यहाँ पर मैं आप लोग के कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए लिखवा रही हूँ, ठीक है? ताकि आप लोग को याद करने में आसानी हो. रहम. Okay, Farhal. Who is Farhal? Do you want to ask question? Unmute yourself, please. Yes, Farhal, you have raised your hand, so if you want to ask something. Emil Ghani. Sorry, I can't hear you. अब मेरी आवाज़ ठीक आ रही है? अब आ रही है मेरी आवाज़? ओके. So, number 2, write number 2 with me. Number 2 is couch. C-O-U-C-H. Make the loop of H. Couch. Emil Ghani, do you want to ask something? Unmute yourself, please. We have less time. Couch means. Yes, yes. लेसन समरी नहीं है आपके पास? अच्छा, अगर आप क्लास में नहीं थे ना तो मैं व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप पर आपको. जी जी बोलें. अच्छा, प्रीवियस में मैंने सिर्फ लेसन समरी और हैंड राइटिंग पैटर्न करवाया है. उसकी पिक्चर आपको मैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पर सेंड कर दूंगी. आप लोग वहाँ से कॉपी करके उसके वहाँ पेजेस छोड़ दें. लीव 2 pages फॉर दैट वर्क एंड देन स्टार्ट दिस वर्क. ओके, गेट इट एमल? ओके, now the next word is couch. C-O-U-C-H. Couch means bed. B-E-D, bed. आजकल हर किसी के रूम में काउच होता है. आप लोगों को पता होगा कि काउच किस चीज़ को कहते हैं, ठीक है ना? एक सोफ़ा टाइप चीज़ होती है हमारे पास, इसको हम सोफ़ा भी बोलते हैं. So write the Urdu meaning of couch. It means sofa. My Urdu writing is not that much good, but it's okay. Okay, number 3. Okay. Number 3 is broom. B-R-O-O-M. Broom. Write down broom with me. Number first word was pity, which means mercy. Number 2 is couch, which means bed. And number 3 is broom. हर किसी के घर में ब्रूम, फ्लोर ब्रश जो होता है जिसको हम झाड़ू भी बोलते हैं, उसको कहते हैं इंग्लिश में ब्रूम. सो द मीनिंग, इंग्लिश मीनिंग ऑफ ब्रूम इज F-L-O-O-R, floor. Write down floor, F-L-O-O-R, floor, and a little bit gap, and write brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush, floor brush. Yes, Farhal, do you want to ask something? All right. जी जी. सो इसका उर्दू मीनिंग लिखे झाड़ू. ब्रूम, एंड द English meaning of broom is floor brush, and the Urdu meaning of broom is झाड़ू. Number 4 is trail. T-R-A-I-L. Follow the formation, okay? T-R-A-I-L, trail. Now write down the meaning of trail. Pick is not clear? All right, wait. Okay. Is it okay now? Thank you. Okay, trail Its meaning is A should be capital, one finger gap and right track, TRACK, attract. Attract. Now again one finger gap, USED, used. Attract, used. If you don't have space, sorry. Students, can you see my notebook clearly? All right, all right. Students, kindly show me your notebooks. यहाँ तक आपने जितना किया है, अपने माइक्स को म्यूट करें और अपने कैम्स ऑन करें. Kindly turn on your cameras and mute your mics. All right, all right. Okay. Attract, used. If you don't have space, then you can go to the next line, okay? And I don't have space, that's why I'm going to write in the next line. Attract, used, and give one finger gap between each word. Following, FOLLOWING. Following. Again one finger gap. Someone, SOME, some. No gap in someone, okay? One, ONE, one. The meaning of trail is attract, used, and following someone. The Urdu meaning will be, the Urdu meaning of trail is rasta. Okay. Trail meaning, English meaning is attract, used, attract, used, and following someone. And the Urdu meaning of trail is rasta. The last one, number 5, is thrilling. 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 Number 5th is thrilling. It means, the English meaning of thrilling is exciting. 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 थ्रिलिंग मीन्स एक्साइटिंग. जैसे कि आप लोग एक्साइटिंग होते हो स्कूल में ट्रिप्स पे जाने के लिए या फिर स्विंग्स पर जाने के लिए एक्साइटिंग होते हो ना. द उर्दू मीनिंग ऑफ थ्रिलिंग इज, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट हेयर बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव स्पेस. सनसनीखेज. ये उर्दू मीनिंग जो है ये आप लोग के कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए मैंने लिखवाए हैं ताकि आप लोग को याद करने में आसानी हो. ओके ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट इट अगेन. पिटी, PITY, पिटी, विच मीन्स मर्सी, MERCY, mercy. Rahm. Number 2 is couch, COUCH, couch. And the English meaning of couch is bed, 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 sofa. The third one is broom, 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 which means floor brush, jharu. Number 4 is trail, attract, used, and following someone, rasta. Number 5 is thrilling, which means exciting, sansani khez. All right, I'm going to check it now, okay? Turn on your videos, all of you. अपनी वीडियोस को ऑन रखें so that I can check your work. Okay, who is she? Farhal. Farhal, kindly show me your notebook if you have done the work. Show me your notebook. Very good. That's nice. Okay, Zinera, Ishmael Hasnain, kindly show me your notebooks. Meaning of thrilling in Urdu is sansani khez. I have wrote it here. Okay, Zinera, that's very nice. Ishmael Hasnain, kindly show me your notebook. All right, that's really nice. Ashar Shiraz, Ashar, show me your notebook. Very good, excellent. Javeria Wakar, Amir's iPhone. All right. Maheen girl, show me your notebook. Javeria Wakar, you have done the work. Very good, very good. All right, Baria, Ibrahim, I don't know who is iPad, name is not mentioned. Baria's video is off. Okay. Basim, Fizza Imran, your videos are off, so I can't see your video. Ayan Nabil, Aruna Gul, Jannat Rahman, no video. All right. Participants kitne? All right, it was all about today's work. We have done the words meaning of Unit 1 today. All of you have done it. So, I will send the picture of this work as well in the group. All right, take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.